So this is to prove vegans are cool, okay? Vegans are not like
Totally.
I won't use the word. Again, it'll get demonetized.
Coming out of left field. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it.
Okay, guys. So this is the new section called Smoothie with Roshni Sangvi, and I'll try to keep camera on her because I look ugly as.
Even I'm looking ugly as
Yeah, people love.
Snapchat or YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube. No one watches me, but yeah, say hi.
Hi YouTube.
Hi random Reddit strangers, because I know I'll be promoting posts there. Okay, guys. So this one is.
Okay, this is a vegan high protein. It's a post workout smoothie, so it's supposed to be high protein. It is amazing. It's the most delicious smoothie you'll ever have because I made it. Okay, so frozen bananas. Keep the bananas frozen overnight, or you can use fresh but frozen bananas.
Is it okay like in fridge?
हाँ जी, फ्रिज में रखना चाहिए because it will not give you the creamy, like ice cream वाला flavor नहीं आएगा if you don't put it in the fridge. So it needs to be in the fridge full night. It needs to be like very frozen.
Awesome.
Okay.
These are chia seeds. No, these are berries.
These are frozen berries because every time you make a post-workout smoothie, like especially because you just work out, you have a lot of something called free radicals. You just break a lot of muscle fibers, right? And you need something which is antioxidant and good for your skin. So you use berries. You could use blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, koi bhi berries. Seeds. So you don't have to take like a fish oil tablet or flaxseed oil tablet because hemp seeds has that, the omega-3 fatty acids. लेकिन ये almost खत्म हो गया है, so we put whatever is remaining. And
But I'm taking. I can do anything. I'm the rebellious one. I'll be the rebellious one on the industry.
If you don't have time to eat hemp seeds, then take a capsule. I mean, it depends from person to person. Everyone doesn't make.
But I do. Okay, flax seeds are not.
Flax seeds also fine. Hemp seeds are fine. Walnuts also omega-3. Or chia seeds is also omega-3. And
I do
flax seeds-
chia seeds and flax seeds.
हाँ, any 2 fat sources should be there. तो ये hemp seeds एक हो गया, and the other one we'll put is hazelnut butter because it tastes so good. It tastes amazing. So make sure two fat sources are there. या तो chia and hemp seeds या hemp and butter, peanut butter भी ठीक है. Anything.
Okay, guys, just quick update. It's been like 9 months, 10 months. I have been on plant-based diet, but I don't eat such stuff. Like this is all fancy kind of stuff, which I don't know how to make. So for me, plant-based is staying on ghee,
Ghas-fus.
loki.
Ghas-fus.
What do you call ghee in English?
What is ghee?
Loki.
Lucky. Bitter gourd. No, gourd. Long gourd.
Loki.
Acha. And okay, so people who love chocolate, this is the raw cacao seeds, which is chocolate ka original seeds without any sugar. Definitely add this because it has a lot of magnesium.
And no milk.
No milk. इसमें milk नहीं होता है. Take soy milk दे दो. This is that. और इसके बाद we're going to use my favorite protein powder in the whole world. This is amazing. Only problem is it's
Free
not-
branding for us.
Yeah, I do so much free branding. Please sponsor me, Run Everything Labs. But it's not available in India, guys. So
Yeah,
you can order it online. It's 1-day delivery. They're like super fast. And I'm going to use
either sponsor us, Run Everything Labs, or give us some discount on customs because we pay customs. Okay.
Yeah, I paid half the price of this can for customs, so that's a lot of.
See, that's how much she's obsessed with your protein
I
powder.
love Run Everything Labs. It's always this plant-based vegan and it's peanut flavored, so it gives you a very peanut buttery taste. और इसके बाद you can put pani in this, or you can put soy milk. But because we feel very fancy and we just ran a lot,
Yeah, we are like fancy.
we feel fancy. So
Yeah.
we're gonna add soy milk. एक मिनट add soy milk.
Obviously, you are fancy because look at this fucking place. I can't get over this place. Okay, if I stay in place, obviously I'll be healthy. Like I'll be doing my burpees over here. Talking in mirror like this feels so cocky. I don't know. So I won't show my muscles and all because I have got none.
I don't have that much right now. Can you get that line? थोड़ा.
If I bring camera over here, more muscles.
It's not there, but
She's
अच्छा.
big time celebrity trailer, guys.
The only celebrity
Yeah.
Soy milk, vanilla flavored. Original is fine. Homemade almond milk is fine. Anything except gai ka doodh is fine. So just don't use cow's milk.
Because it's for calves, not for
Not for you guys.
shit. I said now it will get demonetized. But I don't want YouTube money. I don't like YouTube money. It's so less. You won't believe.
Ice. You like smoothie cold or not so cold?
Yes, cold will do.
Dano pura?
No, then it will be like too much blended.
Bus. Yeah, we're going to blend this. I'm
Yeah.
going to add a little bit water so you have a little less thicker consistency.
Yeah.
And I'll show you how amazing it tastes. And then you do a taste test and say that I'm awesome. ठीक है?
I'm supposed to say that, okay?
You're supposed to say that.
Alright. Okay, so our next videos will be a fun interview with Roshni Sanghvi. Yeah, I'm not obsessed with Roshni Sanghvi. I'm obsessed with her fame. So yeah, it's gonna be like that. Second one would be, it will be about Starbucks. I'm planning because she knows so many Starbucks smoothies. Like it's a secret menu she knows about Starbucks, and it's all vegan. So that will be like another one. Fancy jars and all.
Okay, pro tip.
What?
Every time, pro tip. अच्छा?
Okay, pro tip.
Every time you drink a smoothie, कोई भी smoothie हो, drink it with a straw because smoothie is like fruits and it's sugar, right? And it's protein. The sugar, if it consistently touches your teeth and you drink it with a glass or like a bottle or something, then it's going to cause a lot of cavities. So always drink your smoothies with a straw. That's pro tip.
To be honest, it doesn't make any sense to me, but if she said it, go ahead and do it, guys. She knows better. Okay, yeah, so I was talking about Starbucks. We'll do that, like, we'll write everything down, not for you guys, maybe for me. And then I can go to Starbucks like a pro, learn the menu, and go and order like Starbucks. We'll do a video on Starbucks. Yeah.
Starbucks, the things we can order in Starbucks.
Starbucks, please sponsor us.
Starbucks, please sponsor us.
Our most of our video will be asking for sponsorship from people.
Yes,
Dude, it looks so good.
So I want Starbucks sponsorship and I need Victoria's Secret, the sports range ka sponsorship.
Victoria's Secret
Range,
sponsorship.
the sports range. And I'm making video on that.
Whoa, that is so going on my Snapchat. Have you seen this Victoria's Secret model?
It's not Victoria's Secret. Sports branch. Okay. Taste test.
Okay.
I'll take your taste test. Are ready? You better like it. Wait. Go outside and drink. The view is better.
So usually guys I do drink Long Island iced tea and all in this jar, but smoothie today. So with the view,
Yeah, do that.
whoa, it's so yum.
It's yum.
Yeah.
It's chocolatey. Is it too cold? Too icy?
No, guys, this is like the best thing. Like seriously,
Wait,
I
what is
don't
the
even
best
have
thing?
words.
What is the best thing?
Me. Dude, this tastes better than Nepali food, and I'm obsessed with Nepali food.
Oh, I'm gonna make you have some amazing momos. You should go there for lunch.
My ex is roaming here and there in this town.
Really?
I'm not supposed to say that on video. Hey Momo, what's up? Are you seeing this video? I'm having vegan
I always do
smoothie.
that, you know, when you're making videos and you know your exes are watching you, and you put in like things. which
But
is,
I
like,
wasn't this
secretive.
small when I was dating them, na, so I'm not okay with that.
Acha, ye pakdo. I want my smoothie.
Okay. Also, this is the unedited version. I will have to sit and edit it all. You taste it and tell.
It's thick. It's thick.
I asked for
Chocolate
review.
butter. Obviously, I'm the world's best smoothie maker. Guys, head out to my channel and see my smoothies. I have smoothie recipes on my channel.
Obviously, her channel description will be linked below. That's her watchman, who's vegan as well. Like we all are.
bhi.
Like
Chal
all
rahe
these
path
plants
mein.
you see, we do meh and eat them. That's how we go on plant-based diet. That's what non-vegan thinks. I think, like you be on plant-based diet, you do meh. All. Okay, so yeah, we are done with vlogging. I don't know how to do outros, but go
If you like
and
it, subscribe.
yeah, go and like and subscribe to her channel. I don't give a crap if you don't like us. No, please like and subscribe from my channel. I need it more.
And share.
And share obviously,
Yeah, share the video.
because she already have got so much of fame on Google and all.
don't have
I need to be listed on Google, okay? When you type my name, it only gives you porn links.
Because you have 3 names.
But it gives you porn links.
You serious? I never tried to Google you.
You don't want to watch porn. Uncle, say hi, you are in my vlog.